Hello, how are you all? So, you are studying at home? I know you must be studying with your parents and learning new things. Today, I will tell you something interesting that you feel better. So, see this parrot? Would you like to learn how to make it? See, how is it? Is it beautiful now? So, now I will teach you to make this beautiful parrot. So simple. For this you will be needing any color sheet. I am using red. For feathers, orange color. Now see how we will make. You will be needing these cut out. These are for feathers. Take help of your parents or any elder. These are for foot, these eyes, and for beak. So now let's get started. First take any color paper. I am using red. Fold it like this and cut this triangle out of cut this triangle and you will be getting this triangle. Okay, now fold this triangle from the center like this. Okay, fold it from center. Now from the center line again fold it like this way, and again this way. So you will be getting like this. Fine. Now use Fevicol and paste these two folds like this. Okay, clear? Again see, open it, put Fevicol on it. You can take help of your mama or your didi or your elder brother, anyone at home for cutting. Spread the glue and fold it and paste it. Okay, this which is extra you will fold it upside. This will be the tail. Okay, see, it will be something like this. Okay, now from the top fold it little bit like this. Fold it and with the help of scissors cut it. You can take help of your any elder like this and this. So it will be like this. Okay, now cut the shapes like this. This is for beak. Put a glue on it. Paste it like this. One from this side and one from that side. See. Okay. Now paste the eyes. Here and one this side. Okay, now put the feathers, put Fevicol on the top only, paste it here, one this side and one on the opposite side. Like this. Okay, and this orange part on top of it. And the sheets, fold it little bit paste a Fevicol inside, only on the top, and paste it at the bottom, like this. And here your parrot is ready. See? I hope I hope you like it, and do try to make it at home. Okay? See you. Bye bye.